Hey guys! Today we are going to be talking about a crafty solution for plastic pollution.
We're basically going to be talking about why there's a large amount of plastic in the ocean and how it negatively affects our environment and health.
The purpose of this video is to inform the population of the impact of plastics in the ocean and to help people reduce the usage of plastic.
Now let's get into the video.
Did you know that currently there is 250,000 metric tons of plastic debris in our oceans? Many scientists believe that there is missing plastic and that it is most likely dispersed throughout the deep ocean and sea floor. Also, from plastic in the ocean, it has created microplastic, tiny plastic particles. Microplastic is so small that scientists can't research it. It degrades easy and microorganisms then cling to them, bringing them down to the bottom of the ocean. Finally, plastic debris seems to be missing because it's trapped inside marine life.
More than 90% of salt sold actually has some sort of trace of microfragment in it. Microplastics are plastic fragments smaller than 5 millimeters, down from bigger items like plastic bags or plastic straws. Studies show that consumers actually may be ingesting a large quantity of unwanted plastics, up to 2,000 bits of microplastics per year. Microplastics have been found in tap water, seafood, and salt. Trash like milk jugs or plastic bags end up in oceans and ultimately ingested by a large majority of sea life. The impact of microplastics could potentially seriously harm human health and marine life.
In today's times, it is common for us to use plastic for everything from packaging to grocery bags, though our choices have left detrimental effects. There is too much plastic being produced and used, and we are unable to dispose of it. Currently, there is around 18 billion pounds of plastic floating around the ocean, which not only affects our sea life, but our ecosystem. Plastic lasts anywhere from 450 to 10,000 years. This means that we will have it in our environment for a long time, which then creates pollution. We are wasting our resources, and there is a chance in the future that we will have a World War III, but it being over the lack of resources.
Microplastics can be found in a variety of things that form the ocean. One of those things are known as what we use for food flavoring, called salt. Nearly 90% of the salts sold globally contain microplastic. From measuring 39 salt brands from 21 countries, nearly 36 of the brands contaminated with plastic fragments. Microplastics are formed from the sun breaking down the bits of plastic that travel through rough sea currents. So next time you say pass the salt, you might want to think twice about it.
To help slow down the accumulation of plastic in the ocean, you take a few steps. First, stop your usage or reduce your usage of single-use plastic. Second, use reusable items such as bags, straws, and cups. Third, urge heavy plastic corporations to use plastic from the ocean. With these steps, will help slow down and stop plastic in the ocean.